In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blower motor resistor on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. I'm going to pop this panel off right here. You can use a trim tool. Just get underneath here. It's just clipped in and it just slides off. If your vehicle doesn't have a center console, you're not going to have to do that. Now you're going to use a 7mm socket. In the back here, there is a screw right there. You want to get underneath there and just take that screw out. This vehicle, that screw is actually missing. And then further back here, you want to take this screw out. Same 7mm screw. There's another one over here. Take those out. Then you can grab the panel and it slides right down and out. Now I'm going to disconnect the connectors on the resistor. Just push down on the tab, slide the connector off. Same with this one. Push down on the tab and slide it out of the way. Now using a 5.5mm socket, I'm going to take the screws out of the resistor. There's one there. And there's one on the back side. Take those out. And grab the resistor and it slides right down. Now take the resistor, line it up, same way the old one came out. Get the screws started. One there. And the other one. And we'll tighten these up. Just snug. Take the connectors, line those up, and lock them in place. Now we'll put this cover back up, line it up. And get the screws started. And then if you have that last screw, you want to get that one started over there. Once those are all started, then we'll tighten them down. And tighten the last one down. Now take this panel, line it up, and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.